Hello guys, Random Things with Anj here, back with another sticker unboxing. We have a lot of envelopes. We have like 14, and we'll get right into the video. Alright, so first one, I kind of threw out the envelope for this, but this is Sticker U. They sent me this sample pack with like 4 stickers. Yeah, thank you to Sticker U. Next one is this big one from the house. And they sent like three giant sticker sheets and a magazine. Anyway, here it is. So first off, you wrote this entire sticker sheet. This. And this. Pretty big stickers, so yeah, I'm happy about the size of them. Next up, Sierra Club. I honestly forgot what type of company these people were. Sent me a bunch of like wolf stickers. Team Sierra. Sierra Club. Thank you to Sierra Club for those. Next one was Ariat. Now they sent me more than a couple of stickers. They sent me like a patch, which was pretty cool. So first off, they sent me 5 of these stickers. I think these are like a racing parts company. They sent me this big like white bumper sticker. Oh, they sent me like a tattoo, temporary tattoo. And they sent this Ariat work patch. And it's like a sticker patch thing. So like you can probably stick, you don't have to sew it in. Thank you so much to Ariat, I actually liked those. And they actually sent me a handwritten note, which is pretty nice. Next one, this is from Move On, and I didn't know who these were until I opened them. And this is a sticker form I found online. It was for like concentration camps for some reason. So it was like #close the camps. There's that. I like the vintage look, that's why I wanted that. Next is Redwing shoe company. Well, first off, we got 2 of these. And I got 2 of these. Thank you for those. Next up is Keurig and Dr. Pepper. So this is actually Snapple, but yeah, so in there they sent me like this whole note thing. And they sent me 2 Snapple stickers. That was cool. As this one was 511 Tactical. Now these, I feel like, yeah, they sent me like something that's worth money because it came in like a package, like the 511 decal. It doesn't say the price on the back, but there's a barcode, so that means they might be selling it. So yeah, that was cool. And they sent me a 511 patch. It's like a velcro patch. So it's like this rubber on the top and back. It's like this velcro design. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, 511. Next up is Vans. So first off, we have this one black Vans off the wall. It's like Jamaican kind of like tropical looking thing. And off the wall, 1966. Thank you to Vans for that. Next is Human Rights Campaign. I also saw this online. It was just saying, oh, sign this and you'll get a free sticker. So got this equal sticker. That's it. Thank you for that. The next is Yolk. They also sent me a patch. So Yolk, I think they're like a food company. Yeah, they just make a bunch of egg things, I guess. I've never been there, so so they sent 2 of these I Heart Yolk stickers, and they sent 2 of these just Yolk stickers, and they sent this patch, like a fabric patch. This is not a sticker one like the other one, but this is just a normal patch like you would sew on. Thank you to Yolk. And for the last 2, so first we have this package from Frontier Label, and they're a custom sticker company. So, you know, if anyone wants some labels, here, $25 off of a pack. So use code NEW25, you get $25 off your order. Don't need that. Then they have like a whole like legend here for like waterproofing, water resistance, UV, and they just show all the different materials. So let's start here. So white plastic, white paper. They all have just different feels. So like, I'm not gonna go through all of these, but let me just. These are basically this one was one of my favorites. It was ultra clear, cherry soda, but this is like a sticker. Metallic paper, metallic plastic, holographic plastic, and yeah, these are things that they do for other brands like before. Maple syrup. State 9 paper. I don't know. Yeah, so that's that. Thank you to Frontier Level for those. Alright, thank you all for watching. And make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when my new videos come out, because you never know. I don't have like a schedule. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.